introduce now.
Ceceni nene ya mathomo ma thirikari mwena wa Rua Kabete nikuo makomishina a IEBC mathaganitie giikaro na anyiti itemi matiganite na itanya ria guthorima mubango uria mararira wa murutire wao wa wira o hamwe na ukinyiriria wa githurano kinene twerekeire.
The elections operation plan is aligned to and derives its focus from the key resort areas outlined in the Commission strategic plan, which is anchored on 4 key resort areas, which is managing elections, citizen engagement, participation in equitable representation, and finally, institutional resilience. Under managing elections, the EOP sets out the targeted interventions that we have to do all the way to 2027.
Kuringana nao mekereire makiria uhoro wa waragania na nikio mubango uyu wa wira na ithurano maraririria wekereire kugiritania anyiti itemi othe niguo kugitira wiyathi wa mwathanire wa bururi uria uhete muingi hinya.
This is a document that must be on various stakeholders such as political parties and liaison committee, also our development partners, the UNDP and other key partners. Number 3, the citizens themselves. They must ensure that at least they have seen what is our electoral operation plans for IEBC, what is our strategic plan, and they have been given an opportunity and platform of 2 weeks from today to be able to share their concerns and recommendations so that as a commission, before we come out and launch, we shall be able to consider all these recommendations.
Marauga maundu mothe mathi uria kwagiriire gukinya mwaka uroka ni makahota gukinyirania githurano gitare na ucuke na ati uria makinyanirie na marabanga gwika ithurano inini iria irikuo ni kionereria kiiganu. Maritie uriri maratathi ma ithurano ithatu nini iria iraririo mweri-ini uyu iria ni kiria kia ubunge kia gicigo kia Imurwa Dikil kaunti-ini ya Narok hamwe na cia ward cia Poro kaunti-ini ya Samburu na Endo kaunti-ini ya Elgeyo Marakwet marikitie gukinya bururi-ini hwaini wa muthenya wa Kiumia.
We are fully prepared. We have conducted previously the other 2 by-elections. The first one that was in November 2025, and the other one just recent in February 2026. So even for this upcoming by-elections on the 14th of May, we are fully prepared. We have been able to dispatch our materials. Our officers have been trained, and us as commissioners, we are in the picture of everything that is happening, and we are looking forward to ensuring that we shall also have a very successful by-election.
Makomishina ya mahinyiririe ati ginyagia haha maundu mothe megie kwarira mehaririria magithurano kinene ni mathiete wega na ati thirikari yahitukia na kurumbuia kigina kiria marabatara ni mekwagirira. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.